Right, we're back. Quick little video on this artificial grass job. So the area was prepped already for me. This was a job I did some lead work with postmodern back earlier in the year. Obviously just labouring for postmodern, but yeah, we did some work back earlier in the year and got to speak to the customer. He wanted some artificial grass, so all the landscaping was done by someone else, but he wanted me to do the artificial. So the area was all prepped, obviously on a type 1 base. Then I came in and put 6mm to dust down, leveled, compacted, rebrushed, membrane on top, artificial grass. The joins were all glued. As you can see in the video, there's a little bit of an awkward one, a header and a normal join. Once it was all cut in, it was kiln dry sanded, brushed in, and just washed, cleaned up, tidied, and left with a happy customer. If you want to check out on how to join or how to lay artificial grass, there's a more extensive video up here, or here, or here. But yeah, check that out, and yeah, let us know what you think in the comments. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Trying to get to above 1,000 subscribers, so please like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's much appreciated. Hard little push to 1,000 subs. Peace.